Ako i-chismis ko agad, feeling ko.
Pag uwi mo, yayabang.
Hindi, iti-text ko agad kayo.
Yeah,
Ano sa-
May natagpuan daw na gym bag sa may katawan talaga chinap-chap. Oo, totoo sa akin tumawag. Yun yung parang ikaw yung bida. Yung parang sarap naman sa pakaramdaman na ikaw ang first person ako unang tinawagan. No?
Na ikaw
Ako
yung
nagpadala
source
ng mga
ng-
pulis.
Hello and welcome sa panibagong episode ng Katarantaduhan Podcast. This is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Vanessa.
Wow!
Every time.
Ano na siya recorded na gano'n, pinipindot na.
Wow.
Ano sa tingin nyo ang ating compassion tonight?
Ang hirap na.
Ang weird today. Ang
Yeah.
like, grabe yung mix-up ng mga ngayon.
Para may iba naman
Confession.
kasi halay na kayo eh.
I know.
Isa naman, love. Gusto ko yung katulad ng umpisa.
Mamaya magto-throw tayo ng isa para meron
Yeah.
kang... Ready na ba kayo?
Yes.
Okay.
Confession. Gym bag. Hello, I'm a female. I work as a 911 operator in the US, meaning ako ang tumatanggap ng emergency calls. Some calls are medical related, some are life-threatening, and some are prank calls. But in most cases, the life-threatening calls I get were false alarms or were just pranks. Pero may isang tawag na hindi ko makakalimutan. It was my first day on the job. Kabado, pasmado, inaalala lahat ng training. Then the call came. It was 9:47 p.m. Tanda ko pa ang oras. Hi, I just want to report a gym bag that was left by our trash can. I think I need the cops to take a look at it. Gym bag? Sa isip ko, baka prank call lang ito. Since nakatatlong prank calls na ako since the start of my shift. Hold on, ma'am. Did you say it is a gym bag? Yes. Sagot ng kausap ko sa kabilang linya na may takot sa boses. Sinabi ko sa supervisor ko at sinabi niya na most likely it was just a prank. Pero may gut feeling ako na parang may mali. Kaya instead of dismissing the call, nag-dispatch ako ng police to patrol the area and i-check ang gym bag. All throughout the dispatch process, may communication ako sa mga police at sa caller. Nung dumating yung dispatch cop sa area, nag-code sila and nag-request sila for immediate backup. During that time, kinakabahan na ako dahil alam kong may something kapag nag-code sila ng backup. Tapos biglang sinabi ng isang police sa comms, "We are requesting backup. We have a crime scene here. There is a dismembered male in the gym bag." Tangina, nanlamig ako, speechless. Wala akong maisagot sa dispatch at napaiyak na lang. Sinalo ng supervisor ko yung tawag at dahan-dahan akong inalalayan palayo sa telepono. Sobrang nanginginig ang buong katawan ko at pinauwi na ako dahil hindi ko makontrol ang pag-iyak ko. Ang tanging nasa isip ko lang noon, bakit may katawan ng tao sa gym bag? Yun ang confession.
Ano sabihin natin dito?
Ano to?
Ikaw, grabe yun ha? How would you guys react kung kayo
Akala ko baby. Kasi di ba usually uso sa Pilipinas yun?
Actually, pwede
Yung
nga.
Sa
Nasa
US
eco
to,
bag.
diba?
US, yeah.
Hirap naman ito.
Tanungin mo kami.
First day on actual work though. After ng
Gosh.
training, trauma agad.
Yeah, but you didn't really,
Really what?
See?
yeah.
Or
It was just
you
a
weren't
phone call.
there.
Like somebody like was just, parang may nagsabi lang sa'yo, oh yeah, may nakitang patay doon.
Yeah.
So
No, but like how, I mean, iba kasi siguro kapag ikaw yung nasa dispatch eh. Kasi like literally, I was calling you right now.
But isn't that their job na,
But it's
like,
her
laging
first job.
emergency-
First
like-
day on the job. So, nag-start siya, ang lahat ng nakuha niya, prank calls or maybe even medical
Yeah.
related. Pero biglang boom, may bumagsak, dismembered body. First
yeah, but
day.
you didn't really see the body. It was parang binabalita lang sa'yo eh.
Yeah.
But maybe it might be different for other people though. Like, you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Baka kasi iba sa'yo, baka sa'yo parang joke time lang. Sa kanila, it's
Not joke time, pero like, I don't think na,
you don't
it's
get
very
hit
that-
the same way. You
yeah,
don't get-
I don't think
Kasi
that
hindi
it's
naman
that
niya nakita.
traumatizing.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, I guess for me, feeling ko medyo relieved din siya that she actually listened to her guts.
Na meron pala
Na
talagang
meron-
dapat.
Yeah, kasi diba, dinismiss ng supervisor. Kung iba-iba yun, like, okay, I'm just gonna dismiss it too. Sabi
Yeah.
ng supervisor ko eh. Pero, so, feeling ko na-attach siya.
No, but isn't that their job na kahit like dapat lahat ng call, dapat kahit prank man yun or hindi, they still have to like check it? Kasi you'll never know. Like, who were, like, sino ka ba to decide na, oh, this is just a prank call? Diba?
She's the supervisor, so she decides.
I don't think she's a
Pero kasi if you
supervisor.
think about it, you don't have like as cops, you don't have all the resources.
Yeah. I
You
think
can't
it's
waste
tricky.
every resource na meron ka just on this particular matter, not unless mag-decide ka as a dispatcher na maybe we should give this a look. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? So, pumasok dun sa role na yun is instinct na. Yung gut feeling niya na may mali. Kaya siya
Akala ko
pumunta.
like lahat ng calls they have to check.
No, I don't
Yeah,
think so.
I
Kasi who are
agree
you to
with
choose like which one to like check or not?
Yeah. Ako agree ako kay Baneng, though I don't think that's how it is. Kasi nga, syempre, kailangan nila yung resources nila, they have to verify
Yeah.
and everything. Pero I agree na you have to check all calls, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero I guess hindi
Tsaka
talaga yung
diba yung,
nangyayari.
I don't know like kung ano yung klaseng training yung job na yon, but like the fact that she got traumatized
Yeah.
for someone na may nakita lang body sa gym
Yeah.
bag.
Siguro medyo ganun, like I said, baka ikaw, ganun ka naka-fucked up para hindi ka na maapektuhan.
Yeah, and why would you choose that job then?
Yeah.
I mean, that's also fair. That's also fair.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero kasi I don't know kung, ako kasi, I don't know kung personally, actually hindi ko rin masabi kung maapektuhan ako ng katindi nung sa kanya kung I was on the same position. Like, I could sense na, oh shit, there's a body there, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would think meron siyang, like, she was traumatized somewhere. Then she kind of relates
dun sa
dun sa nangyari. Kaya grabe yung impact
Epekto
sa
sa
kanya.
kanya.
But I guess if it's just a call and it's her first time, I don't really think,
I don't think that
yeah.
job is for you.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yun lang may I don't know.
na
Yeah,
may
parang
na-trigger
ano,
ka agad sa
yeah.
kanya eh.
Parang sa mga nurse, like, paano ka magiging nurse if the sight of blood will make you faint?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tama naman. Actually, that's fair. Pero saludo ako sa mga ganitong trabaho kasi yung mental health impact na dinadanas
Yeah.
nila is actually pretty bad too. Like even I mean just listening on some confessions lang. You would really kind of have this sort of parang meron ka ma-develop na parang anxiety at times.
Yeah.
Na parang puta na expose ka sa mga inhumane na mga bagay na minsan hindi talaga like alam mo yung ewan ko narinig niyo na yung Facebook moderators, yung movie ni Nadine, hindi ko alam kung lumabas yun eh.
Parang
Like-
nakita ko lang yun, pero
like-
hindi ko siya pinanood.
Meron pala talagang Facebook moderators na nagfi-filter ng mga lumalabas na videos na nakikita mo sa social media. Tapos yung iba sa kanila, parang yung movie na yun is parang yun yung parang ginagawa nila, sinapelikula nila yung buhay nila. And ang dami sa kanila na ang taas ng turnover ng job kasi sobrang nafa-fucked up daw sila sa isip sa mga lumalabas na videos. Na sila ang taga-filter. So ikaw ang magde-decide.
But
kung,
I feel like it's different watching the video than like hearing na, oh yeah, we found a body. Kasi like,
what's the difference though?
Like, I think, mas mahirap na you're actually watching it. Kaysa may kunyari, oh yeah, may nakitang patay doon.
Like,
what would
nirelay
you
mo
feel?
lang.
Yeah.
Nirelay
Yeah.
mo lang sa
Yeah,
akin.
that's true.
I mean, that's also true, yeah.
Yeah, so iniisip ko nga yung mga journalist, I feel like for them, the job is harder because you have to be on site.
Mhm,
Like
yeah.
yung mga news reporters.
Photojournalist,
Yeah,
yeah.
yung sa mga like sa typhoon sa Philippines.
Tapos makikita mo yung
Yeah,
dead
you
bodies.
can really see it, you can smell it. Rather than just hearing it, she's right. For me, parang, it's okay. So I feel like meron talaga siyang trauma somewhere.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Would you guys actually ever take a job like this?
Yeah.
Magkano sweldo? Depende
Yeah,
sa sweldo.
parang like for me, it's fun.
Yeah. Me as a chismosa, yes, I would.
Just para lang meron kang iuuwing
Para alam
chismis.
mo
ah.
yun, alam ko
Diba?
lahat.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung unang saksi sa mga,
diba? Tas,
may
ako yung
kaganapan
magaan.
doon.
Oo, ako
Yes.
yung magaan. Dispatcher, please.
Paano kung kayo yung caller, would you open the gym bag? Feel like si Bella, bubuksan niya, chismosa to. Pagbukas niya, ano pala, bomba.
Me?
Boom, patay.
Actually, feeling ko din bubuksan ko, pero feeling ko video ko.
Pero feeling ko, the fact na like, kasi like, a gym bag somewhere, parang normal lang. Or
Normal dito.
whatever. Like parang, I don't know, like, hindi siya yung, wait, saan ba daw naiwan?
So sa trash can, may gym bag.
Oh yeah, so like, that's just normal na may
Yeah.
bag sa trash can. Pero feeling ko,
Pero hindi naman kanya
Maybe
yung
it
gym bag.
smells.
ha?
So, di ba, ako yung homeowner ako. Gym bag, nandun sa trash can, nasa tabi ng
Sa
trash
loob
can
ng bahay mo?
No, 'di ba ang mga trash can dito, for example,
Nasa
sa North
labas.
America nasa labas, yung bin, yung garbage bin. Tapos may nag-iwan ng gym bag sa tabi ng bin mo.
Ah, trash can niya.
Yeah, sa tabi.
Okay, got
So
it.
obviously, as a someone na alam ko na hindi ko naman gym bag yun, why would someone leave something like this behind my bin? You know what I mean? So,
Yeah.
it's kind of off. So, ikaw ba, bubuksan mo ba yun kung ikaw yung nandun?
Chismosa ka din eh.
Yeah. Unless may amoy na.
Feeling ko may amoy yun, kaya
Yeah.
ayaw niyang buksan.
Feeling ko kaya siya na bother kasi may amoy na. Kasi feeling ko like pag ako like I don't care. Okay, well,
Well, here's the thing na inisip ko nung binabasa ko to is, kung may amoy na, which is naisip ko, ba't hindi niya sinabi sa call? Naisip ko, what if yung caller may plot twist? Pinatay niya pala yun.
I was just gonna say, baka siya yung pumatay.
Di ba?
Siya din yung tumawag para hindi siya...
Parang siya yung tumawag ng tulong. Di ba? So, have you ever thought about that na baning?
buong body ba daw nakita sa loob?
Chop-chop nga.
Kasya sila sa gym bag. Parang di ko kasya sa gym bag.
Di naman sinabi, Bella, gano'ng kalaki
Ilang
yung gym
gym
bag.
bag?
Baka naman kasi malaking gym bag yun. Ikaw naman. Sobrang mo namang inaanis sarili mo. Grabe ka naman. Pero
Dahil feeling ko kasya tayo pag giniling na tayo.
pero imagine how powerful yung instinct ng mga nag-work sa dispatch. Kasi in most cases, how do you like decide kung prank call ba to or by instinct, okay, papaniwalaan
I guess depends sa caller. Parang, like, feeling ko naman yung caller na yun, like, he was very serious na, oh, like, I found, like, there's a gym bag.
Well, sabi niya kasi nasisense niya yung takot sa boses.
Yeah, yun nga. So, I guess,
Yeah.
it depends on the caller.
Yeah.
Magaling siya kung siya yung pumatay kasi manipulative siya.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think talaga magaling talaga siya kung siya yung pumatay, kung siya ang unang tumawag. Kasi feeling ko kung ako din, kung ako papatay, ganun din muna akong gagawin.
Oh, ganun din gagawin mo?
Ibig sabihin ko like,
Pero bakit ginawa mo sa...
ako magre-report para hindi ako ano.
Pero bakit sa trash can sa bahay mo? Obviously, ikaw pa rin yung first
Primary
suspect.
suspect.
Yeah. First suspect nun.
Pero kasi isipin mo ba kung ikaw ang nag-investigate, bakit mo tatapon ang sarili mong bahay? So, alam mo yung for me, parang lumalayo ka na. Why would I throw it? Kung ako yung ba't ko tatapon sa house ko?
pa?
What do you mean?
Yan nga yung point niya. Ibig
Kasi
sabihin
nga,
ko,
kung ikaw, di ba, kung ikaw yung may pinatay kang something, di ba, anong una mong gagawin? Na like yung typical na gagawin. Di ba, hindi mo itatapon yan dyan kasi kanino unang ipo-point out? Sa'yo. So ngayon, tinapon mo sa harap ng bahay mo. Pwede mong i-rebuttal sa kanila. Kung ako pumatay dyan, ba't dyan ko
We're gonna
ilalagay?
throw the reverse card.
Why would I have my evidence na magtuturo sa akin
Yes.
sa loob ng bahay ko?
Pero yung fingerprint mo po kasi, sir nandun sa bag.
kasi po nasa trash can ko, hinawakan ko.
Oh, see? Pwede kayong maging killers, see?
Kasi alam mo yung pinabas dati ni How to Get Away with
With murder, yeah.
Yun pinapanood ko dati, kaya
Wag niyo akong i-cross.
cross mo talaga. Joke lang.
Have you guys ever had this type of instinct na nag-lead to something like big na may na-discover or something? Not necessarily patay, Like yung mga instinct lang na, tangina, kaya pala nanlalamig sa akin to,
Babae pala
nambababae pala eh.
Babae pala.
Mga ganyan ba Parang napapangiti ka lang eh. Ano ba? Spill mo na yan.
No.
No, parang diba like, totoo naman talaga yung girl's instinct minsan. Na parang
Mother's instinct, then niwala ako dyan.
pwede din girls.
Yeah. Girl's instinct. Oo nga.
Yeah, like parang feeling mo pagka may ginagawang masama sa'yo yung tao. Or like even kahit mga kaibigan mo lang, like yung mga fake friends mo. Like pagka parang...
Isa-isahin mo. Sino-sino sila?
Gago. Parang pagka shady na, like you can tell naman. Or like pag kunyari, like yung friend mo, tas yung jowa nila like is being shady. Parang you can tell naman kasi talaga. But, I don't know.
Yeah.
Not to that extent na... But really, is it really instinct yung sa kanya? It's her fucking job.
I guess the instinct still plays a role.
I don't really think, I don't know.
Well, I think instinct niya kasi sinabi na nga sa kanya na, okay, just dismiss it. But then she pushed through.
Yeah.
So, I think mayroon din talaga siyang instinct na, I think-
There's something wrong.
Yeah, pero kasi din, well, sa naman sa kanyang supervisor is, hindi naman niya narinig yung call.
Yun nga.
Or maybe,
Maybe na.
Maybe
Ang naisip ko baka
recorded yun.
nakakarinig din. I don't know.
oh yeah.
Kasi recorded yun eh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero kasi based dito sa mga ganitong alam ko para rin siyang pattern recognition eh. Kung paulit-ulit yung pattern ng type of call, ganito, pwede mong sabihin na o classify mo to as prank. So yung siguro yung tawag nga ni ate girl na may gym bag, pwedeng by pattern recognition at ang ina paulit-ulit na ganito yung klase ng call. It falls under prank. Kasi nga hindi mo pwedeng
Yeah.
ubusin lahat ng resources na meron kayo, di ba? So, maaring ganun lang yung sinabi nung ano kasi meron din ano yan eh. Alam mo yung may priority yan eh. May hierarchy yung
Yeah.
bawat tawag. Life and death. O joke-joke lang.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Armed. Yung mga
Oo.
ganun.
Si Baning, walang vape.
Kidnapping.
walang vape. Oh. Yung mga ganun.
Yeah. It's
Pero-
a hard job.
Kung kayo yung nasa kabilang phone call, like kayo yung dispatcher, di ko alam kung natanong ko na kung how would you guys react kung sa inyo nalaman na meron chinap-chap na katawan dun sa basurahan. Kung kayo yung nasa dispatch.
Okay lang if that's my
Yeah.
job. If that's my
Yeah.
everyday job.
So hindi ka
naman.
kahit first day mo lang yun do kasi hindi ka
It'll be like, whoa.
hindi ka
may
matatraumatize.
chop-chop First day, yes.
Yes.
Diba?
Ang yabang
Yes,
ko.
hindi na ako na-prank. love this journey for me.
Alam mo yung ano, yung sino nga, yung si Rufa. Yes!
Yeah.
Nakakuha ko ng chop-chop today.
Kasi para ka lang nanonood ng balita.
Yeah.
I
yeah.
don't know, like for me, ganun lang din.
Like, we're not
Hindi kayo
diminishing yung
hindi kayo
trauma niya.
hindi kayo magbe-breakdown like the way she did.
No.
I don't think
Yeah.
so.
Ba't kasi magbe-breakdown? I don't know. Pero kung, like, we're not saying na, oh, like, what you felt was wrong, but like, for me, like, I don't think it's that big of a deal.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's not that parang it's okay.
Yeah, kasi nga, it's her job.
It's another day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga. Like doctors or nurses, medical field, nakikita nila may namamatay on their watch.
Oh.
So,
Every
alam mo yun,
day.
and they just have to swallow it. They
Yeah.
have to move on to the next patient because it's their job.
Like, yung nurses ba, like, on their first day of sa job nila, tas pag may namatay, are they gonna
I think meron
breakdown?
naman na
Yeah,
merong mga
sometimes,
nurses.
sometimes they do.
First time
But
on
like,
their
with
watch,
the
yeah.
training
Yeah.
kasi and everything, I feel like, binababad na
Training
sila
is
dun eh.
different.
Yeah,
Trust
yeah,
me.
they said training is different.
Training is
Yeah.
different.
They said
Yeah.
your first patient talaga, you'll cry, you'll get depressed, but eventually you'll get over it.
Kasi lagi nang nangyayari and nangyayari.
Yeah.
Pero yung first day mo, I feel like it's gonna
Yeah.
traumatize you.
Iba naman daw talaga. It's not really you'll get over it, but you'll know how to deal with it.
Oo.
You'll cry silently,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you know.
Hindi
Pero,
na silent crying naman.
Yeah.
Silent crying. Parang nga sa akin din, ganun din. Parang I feel like, I'd probably get hit na parang, oh shit, may chinap-chap. But, okay, let's
Yeah.
go on to the next one.
Yeah,
And then siguro tatakbo lang sa isip ko na, tangina, pinapanood ko lang to ah.
yeah.
And now it's actually happening to me. Like yung mga, kasi minsan alam mo yung, you'd never think na yung napapanood mo would actually happen to you in
Yeah.
real life. Like yung parang pinapanood mo lang na dati, nanonood ka lang ng podcast, ngayon ikaw na yung host.
Yes.
True. Ako chichismis ko agad feeling ko.
Pag uwi mo, yayabang
Hindi,
mo.
iti-text ko agad kayo.
Yeah,
Ano sa'yo?
May
diba?
natagpuan daw na gym bag sa ano. May katawan talaga chinaw-chap. Oo, totoo sa akin tumawag. Yun, alam mo, parang ikaw yung bida. Yung parang sarap naman sa pakiramdam na ikaw ang first person ako unang tinawagan. No?
Na ikaw
Ako
yung
nagpadala
source
ng mga
ng-
pulis. Oo.
Ikaw yung source ng chismis.
Tas
Hindi
ganito
na
pa.
ikaw lang yung...
Hindi uso yung blind
Sabihin mo,
item dito,
oo.
malalaglag ka.
Sabi mo, sabi ng supervisor ko, huwag ko nang pansinin, pero syempre.
Galing ko, di ba?
Oo, galing mo, di ba? Diba? Tinawagan ko yung mga pulis, nandun, nakita, chinap-chap talaga.
Di ba? Mas magaling pa ako sa supervisor ko kasi mas maganda yung instinct ko.
Diba?
For experiences like this, how do you think it shapes the rest of someone's career? Yung mga trauma.
English eh. Sense.
So after a call, like, let's say after a call like this one, diba? Like say day one, how do you think this experience will shape the rest of her career or someone's career? Yung ganong mga traumatizing type of ano.
I think that because she was right, I think mas
Mas
tatras
magiging
niya yung
vigilant na siya.
Yeah, mas matatras niya yung self
Instincts
niya.
niya.
Yeah, mas magiging na siyang aware na see, sabi niya prank, pero I
In
pushed
in
through.
judgment call niya is
Oo,
ano.
so alam mo yun,
Yeah.
feeling ko, lagi niya rin babalikan yun na pag meron siyang tingin niyang, yung gut feeling niya is saying na, oh, you should check. Then she would check. Alam
Yeah.
mo yun? So
Fair,
feeling
fair.
ko, mas magiging siyang better at her job.
As a dispatch, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah. So mas marami siyang masiserve na ano.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba, Neng, how do you think this will shape her career?
Yeah, like yun nga, like magiging vigilant na siya. Hindi niya na,
Spell vigilant.
Aware na lang tayo.
ayun, wag na.
Aware na
Wag
lang.
na lang siya magtrabaho doon.
Okay, anyway, go,
Feeling
go.
ko like mas magiging ano siya, like, yun nga, like just like what Belle said na parang lahat na ng call is, she's gonna take it seriously na lang. I think.
Never mind.
Ha?
Naisip ko kasi sinabi niyang call, naisip ko video call.
Ano kung
Never
iniisip na
mind.
naman ito?
Wala. Never mind. Video call. Yung dispatch video call.
Mali mo, may ganun para mapakita talaga yung video.
Yeah. Ano yung coping mechanisms nyo towards sa mga bagay na like, overwhelming like this? Like sa mga ganitong type of memories or anything? Do you guys have like something na mga traumatizing?
Chichismis ko.
Yeah, ako like talk to my
Ganun,
friends or
yeah.
sometimes nagkukulong na ako sa room ko and then just watch funny
And you
videos.
end up forgetting it? Like you get over...
Like, hindi mo naman kasi siya hindi ka makaka-get over it like right away. It's through time talaga.
Yeah.
And like you keep like telling, like parang for me, kinikwento ko na sa mga friends ko. And pag
Yeah.
nalabas ko na, okay na. And then, I'm just gonna wait for it till
Yeah,
mawala sa utak ko.
true.
Yeah.
For me, I feel like I never really had an experience na super overwhelmed ako. Meron ba? Hindi ko alam eh. Ano bang klase?
I mean, something na nag-breakdown ka? Like yung parang to the point na, di naman siguro na-depress ka, but something so parang it hits you.
Hindi ko sure.
Yeah.
Feeling
Yung,
ko kasi lagi ko lang chinichika.
nung
Yeah, it
like
helps
nung
din naman,
nagbantay ka sa hospital, hindi ba yun medyo...
Ay, nag-addict ako sa time zone noon. Yung coin dozer. I think yun ang, at saka kain ako ng puto bongbong.
So, hindi ka na sa pagkain ka na overwhelmed.
Parang ganun yung coping mechanism ko.
Oh.
Kumain ng Jollibee, puto bongbong at mag-coin
Dozer.
dozer.
Okay.
And sometimes din, mahilig ako manood ng mga nakakaiyak na palabas. So, mag-e-emote lang ako doon.
Tapos, ayun na.
Yeah.
So, hindi pa tumatama yung malaking traumatizing event. Nagko-cope ka na.
Nagko-cope na ako. Or ayan, sa gitna pa lang ako. Nasa time zone na ako agad.
Pero the fact na may familia siya sa hospital, that is very traumatizing na din.
Yeah.
Kasi
Yeah.
like, I feel like you know that it's the end.
Yeah,
The
I
end is
know.
near.
Yeah.
And so
That's why I
was-
kind of
yeah.
thought like, how would you kind of,
Yeah. I don't know. Feeling ko kasi minsan hindi rin magre-register sa'yo agad.
Yeah.
Like, you think you're not stressed, you think you're not overwhelmed, pero pag nag-look back ka, shit.
Ang lala pala nung pinagdaanan mo.
Pag tinitinong ko yung mga picture ko, ang pangit ko.
Iba naman yata yun.
Like, alam mo, hindi ka naligo. Tapos, nasa Robinson ka, naglalaro ka doon.
Oo.
Bibidyo okay ka mag-isa. Like, alam mo yung pag nag-look back ka, shit.
Kadiri.
Kadiri.
Pero grabe nga rin yung pinagdaanan mo nun to the point na hindi ka na naliligo. Tapos magta-time zone ka.
Well, that's just me. No?
Sa tingin nyo pala ito, kung dinismiss niya yung call na yun, may malaki kaya siyang liability. Yun yung iniisip ko dito sa trabahong to. Sobrang laki ng liability. Like, may mga calls na, let's say, kailangan ng emergency for
Yeah.
medical related, tapos hindi agad nakapag-dispatch.
Pero feeling ko kasi like, patay na yun eh. Like either makita nila today or tomorrow. I don't think it matters.
Ah, you're right. Ang galing mo. Galing mo. Hindi ko naisip yun.
Actually, yeah.
Tama siya.
Dead na eh.
Kahit kailan mo yung makita.
Oo.
Kasi like, for example, like, tinurn down nila yung
I mean,
call na-
specifically, sa confession
yeah,
ko,
like,
tama si
tinurn
Ban
down
eh.
nila
Yeah.
like this time. Tapos manganga mo and then somebody will call again.
Yeah.
Then,
Papansinin nila to the
Yeah.
point na
Yeah,
marami nang
that's true.
nagre-reklamo.
iba naman yung call na, shit, may heart attack ako.
Oo. Or merong
Feeling ko pag
mamatay
mga ganong call, kailangan talaga nilang
Puntahan.
puntahan.
Oo, yeah.
Pagka health related.
That's good. That's very smart, Ang galing mo dun, Ban.
Galing niya din.
Pwede ka maging dispatch.
Parang maglipat ka na ng trabaho.
Feeling ko, parang
Yeah.
saya nga, no? Trabaho pala yun.
Kung kayo yung neighbor, yung caller na tumawag, assuming na yung caller o yung neighbor, hindi siya yung pumatay dun, how would you feel knowing you helped uncover justice or give any closure?
For me, feeling ko, kasi
Or
sa bahay
or happy
ko
ka na
yun.
lang ba just for the chismis?
Hindi
Di
naman
ba
sa,
natatakot
ako ba yung
ka?
caller? Feeling ko
Yeah.
mas, ano ba yung tawag doon? Yung
Vigilant ka na,
Hindi.
concerned?
Hindi mo, mas traumatized ka pa.
Yeah, kasi
Yeah.
nasa
Yeah.
bahay mo, nasa...
Ikaw na-
Actually, oo
Inamalay
nga.
mo, kapitbahay mo pala yun.
Kaya
Siya yung mas traumatized.
Yeah,
hindi yung...
Hindi yung caller, oo nga, no.
Yeah.
Diba?
Baliktad, hindi yung tinawagan.
Yeah.
Yung call.
Yeah.
Yung ano nga, yung caller, yung neighbor.
Oo nga, yung
So,
caller yung traumatized.
So kung kayo yung neighbor, how would you guys feel knowing you help uncover justice or give any closure? Kasi kung hindi yun na-found, hindi naman magkakaroon ng justice or closure, di ba?
Ay, mas mayabang yung kwento ko sa mga kaibigan ko. Ako nakakuha na. Ako yung nakadiscover.
Nakakita ko ng chop-chop.
Tapos
Diba?
makikita niyo ako sa TV Patrol.
Ikaw yung ini-interview.
Nasa US, pero sa TV Patrol. Gusto mo yun?
Meron, di ba?
Yung US
I
correspondent.
think so.
Yeah.
Kaka-proud naman. Makita niyo ako sa TV.
Dahil may nakitang patay. Proud ka pa nun?
Hindi, ibig sabihin ko, like, I helped uncover justice. Tama ba?
Yeah, uncover justice.
I cover the truth.
O sabihin ko, halimbawa, sabihin ko, so you are the neighbor, what's your name?
I'm the neighbor.
So, how did you find the body?
I just saw the bag, the gym bag. I don't usually go to the gym, but I saw a gym bag. So I kind of just felt it was wrong to find a gym bag. Yeah.
What made you think that there's something weird about the gym bag?
Because I opened the gym bag. As a chismos, I opened the gym bag. I just want someone to confirm.
Now, how do you feel that someone's murdered in front of your lawn?
Uy, kakatakot yun. Ayoko yun.
Yeah,
Please
kasi
guys,
neighbor.
huwag kayong maggagawa ng krimen sa bahay namin.
Sa harap ng
Sa,
bahay.
sa ibang street na lang po.
Sa iba na
Wag
lang.
sa street
Yung
nila.
tipong pwede akong dumaan tapos makikichismis ako. Hindi yung ako yung pinapag-chismis.
Alam mo
Ayoko
yun,
yun.
nakikita sa video sa TikTok, yung pagka may mga polis doon, tapos yung iba nagwawali sa labas.
Tapos
Naglolol.
nagwawalis pero nakatitig.
Grabe mga chismoso.
Police
no?
line
Yeah.
doon. Ang police line
Ganyan
doon.
kami. I like that though.
Pero naka-encounter na ba kayo like sa city nyo na ganyan, like in close vicinity na may namatay or something?
Sa mga accident, feel ko.
Hindi, yung parang pinatay talaga.
Ay, walang ganun
Like
sa
murder.
Yeah.
amin. So, mabait mga tao sa amin. Walang
Pumunta ka sa Marikina, di ba? Di ko ata nakwento sa'yo to. Di ba inabot si Ate Weng? So, nagbibenta kami ng yellow before. Kasi may grill yung bahay, di ba? So, may isa akong kabasketball before na childhood friend ko. Apparently, meron siyang atraso sa kinauutangan niya or drugs. So, si Ate Weng ko, sabi, bumili ng ice. Pumasok siya, tapos may dumaang riding in tandem. Tapos, pinaputukan.
In front of your house?
Sa harap mismo. Tapos, paglabas ni... Swerte si Ate Weng, pumasok siya sa loob. Or saktong na timingan. Kasi otherwise, kung nakita niya kung sino yung bumaril, baka siya damay.
Yeah.
Tapos, yun, yung, di ba, yung pavement nung paikot ng bahay, nandun sa mismong property namin, nakabulagta
So,
siya.
ano ginawa ni Ate Weng?
Di syempre naiyak, tapos nagsisigaw. Saklalo!
Yes, ganun talaga.
Di, pero like, alam mo yung na-trauma siya.
Yeah, of course.
Did you call 911?
Tapos tumawag siya kala mama na ganun.
Lahat ako
Tapos,
ganun sa Philippines.
Wala ba 911 sa Philippines?
I don't
Oo,
know.
parang wala. 211. Char, wala.
16,
parang
bantay
wala.
bata,
So,
163.
paano kayo tatawag ng police sa Pilipinas?
Kasi sa Philippines naman, laging may mga police per
Oo nga,
town
no?
eh.
Paano pala kayo
Like,
tatawag
may
ng
mga
police?
police station dun.
Every town?
Hindi,
Ang
pero kasi
dami-dami
kung-
nun.
I think so. Meron,
Yeah, but like, how do you call them?
mukhang ko barangay.
Pupunta
I
ka
don't
pa?
know. I
Yeah.
don't know.
Di ba? Paano kaya? Actually, hindi ko din alam.
Wala.
Or ba, ano lang, by chismis, mabilis.
Actually,
Word of
bakit
mouth.
hindi mo naman kailangan talaga ng cellphone? May mga chismosa naman.
Yeah. Anyway, pumunta na tayo sa ating takeaway. So, anong takeaway nyo dito sa confession na to? Bukod sa pagiging chismosa.
Ako kay ate, it's a girl,
It's a
diba?
girl, the
Ano,
dispatch.
like, hindi naman namin minamaliit yung naramdaman mo nung first day mo na experience. But I don't think if that's too traumatizing for you, I don't think that job is for you.
True, tama
I think
yun.
you have to find a different job na like it's not too stressful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi like narinig mo pa nga lang ganun ka na
Nag-react.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yun.
Breakdown siya
I
kagad.
think you have to find a different job.
Kasi hindi rin good sa mental health niya yun.
Yes.
May expose siya dun everyday.
Yeah.
Matitrigger siya lagi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Ako, I agree with Baneng. Like, if you can't handle that call, I think talaga mas okay maghanap ka na ng ibang job kasi by being so traumatized by that, you might actually be putting someone at risk. Yung
Mhm.
pag ang caller mo na is in distress, tapos
Ikaw pa distressed ka din.
stressed ka din,
Yeah.
tapos nag-aano kayo kung, yung, alam mo may mga caller kasi, halimbawa may killer sa house. You can't be
Oo
too loud.
Yeah.
Tapos stressed ka, di mo din alam gagawin,
Hahandle yung
traumatized ka rin.
situation.
So, pwede mo ma-put at risk yung
Tumatawag.
taong yun. Yeah. So, for me, pag alam mo hindi mo kaya yung job mo, just don't.
Just don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no
Marami-
amount of
yeah,
money
wala
can
namang
pay for your
masama.
mental health.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala namang masama talaga na maghanap ka ng ibang work. Kung hindi mag-workout itong job na to for you,
There's always something
yeah,
else.
there's always something for you.
Yeah. That's so good. Yeah, actually tama yung sinabi nyo. And I guess sa akin na lang is much respect sa mga taong gumagawa ng work na to. This is not a joke. And dispatchers are the invisible first responders They hear the screams, the panic, the last words, but rarely get the thanks or yung closure actually. So,
True.
sobrang saludo sa inyo para rin kayong mga nurse or doctor. And actually, before dumating sa nurse or doctor yan,
Yeah,
sila
diba?
muna.
Yeah.
So, sila rin yung nakakakuha ng mga stress talaga. Pero kung hindi talaga para sa'yo, wag mong ipilit.
True.
So, yun lang. At saka kapag may nakita akong gym bag sa basurahan, hindi ko bubuksan.
Aswa mo na kung kay
tawagan
Bel
mo kami.
yun.
Bubuksan natin yan.
Mamaya, C4 pala yung sumabog bigla. Yun lang. So, any last word, ladies?
No, I think I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good too.
Yeah. Okay, thank you po sa pag-tune in dito sa medyo chop-chop na episode. This is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Vanessa.
Peace.
Bye.